And Gary, you showed me a picture.
Yeah.
On your phone.
Let me show Aki the picture. Anyway, when we first moved to Japantown, we used to, you know, before climate change happened, we used to get the Alviso Bay fog, you know. And I thought this is great. It's gonna be like I'm living in London, you know. But it happened for a couple of years and then it went away. And it doesn't happen anymore, along with several other weather-related things. Like we used to get on the clock at like about 3:30. We would get, when the tide shifted in the bay, we would get, even if it was 100 degrees outside, we would get a bay breeze. And the bay breeze used to last all the way to the middle of town, some old timer told me. And now it just rarely happens at all. Oh, come on. Take that, you have to warm up. World phone. Jesus Christ. Time is being updated. Is it morning yet? I just wanted to show you this cool picture. Where'd it go? There it is. So I saw this sign all kind of wispy in the fog, and I said, nice. Man, that's a great tune. What does it mean? What does 7 bamboo mean? It's not bamboo 7, it's 7 bamboo.
Very cool, yeah.
Mysterious.
I've been there a couple of times.
Have you?
Yeah.
Did you do the karaoke?
Yeah.
You think they can see it? There you go. Immortalized.
It's doing face detection, that's the problem. Oh, will I get it?
Oh, it goes away. Oh, now you're screwed.
I think he just deleted all his contacts, but that's all right.
No, not my
He'll
porno.
make his friends all over again.
Yeah, I don't use the...
Gary, I'll be your friend.
Thank you, man.
Okay, so we'll do Midnight. Hang on a second.
And what key is that in? F minor?
Midnight at the 7 Bamboo is in G minor.
G minor.
Do you want me sitting here doing that?
I think you should look like you're really enjoying yourself.
Well...
Or dance.
Could we...
Would you like to do a
Could I
little
get like a magazine or something?
All right, you ready to play Midnight at the 7 Bamboo?
Let's try it.
Let's give it a play. Actually, this is your solo right here.
Oh, okay.
You continue on, and I'm playing that kind of ghostly background. Ready?
Right.
Go get it. Want to go again from the top?
From the top.
All right, here we go. So that's me playing that. That's fog rolling in that Gary was talking about.
That's the fog. But then after 2 progressions, is that how long my solo is?
Yeah, each solo, at least the way I have it set right now, is 2 times around.
So then between the 2, we play that harmony.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, exactly. do we want to do that anyway? Just
Yeah.
to keep it clean,
Yeah.
and fancy.
That sounds cool. I didn't hear the fog though. You didn't
Yeah, I forgot. I was so enamored by your solo.
It was more current day 7 down blues.
That's right.
Post climate change.
That'll be the name of the song. Post climate change at the 7 Bamboo.
I missed something with that. I don't know. No more mystery anymore. That was good. Yeah, I forgot the fog. Did you play my fog?
No, I didn't play your fog because he didn't play it. I said
Tit for tat.
Must not want to do it.
Yeah, near the very end of your solo, I'm like, oh, I forgot. I'm gonna grab that for you.
You know, there's something to be said about not overusing that line. You know, because when you do hear it between the solos, it's fucking impressive, man. It's way better writing than the other head.
I think it's all cool and completely different than anything ever played on the harmonica, which is what's cool about it.
Yeah.
But it's still bluesy, you know?
Boy, those bends are just tough to get precise on.
You have a tough part.
That's a bitch part.
If you had to play that all by yourself, people would think you're nuts. It's so difficult to play, and it doesn't really sound very good by itself. But you put it in the harmony, you lose that, you know, that it's not necessarily working towards the strengths of the harmonica.
Yeah,
you know?
it actually, when you hear it with the two parts, you go, wow, that's rhythmic.
Yeah, but that's tough to make sound good. Tough to play and tough to make sound good. But anyways, that composite is really, really quite cool. I don't know how you came up with it. Sounds cool.
You know how I came up with it was actually both of those 12-bar heads were originally in a swing beat, and they weren't related to each other. They were just two different songs I tried.
Wow.
And I got this weird Latin idea from listening to some song. I said, hey, let me try that with the mambo or the rumba or what do you call this kind of beat? Latin beat.
Latin beat. Make it safe.
This is Latin Asian fusion.